Today is Christmas. How about making a healthy and delicious baked salmon for family and friends?
Exactly. Just a simple seasoning will do. Make sure to learn this and add it to your recipe list. It'll come in handy when you're hosting friends. Salmon, of course. Give it a simple rinse, pat it dry, and set it aside. Evenly coat both sides of the salmon with salt and pepper. Prepare a piece of butter and spread it evenly over the baking tray and the fish fillet. Spread a thin layer of butter on the baking tray, then lightly coat the salmon with butter. This adds a rich aroma without making it too greasy. Place the salmon in the steam oven and select the fish baking mode. After steaming and baking for 20 minutes, here's the result. If you want crispy skin, just broil it on high for about 2 minutes. I love that crispy skin texture. Just remember to adjust the baking time based on your own oven. The baked salmon is tender and juicy with a delicate, buttery flavor that melts in your mouth. The skin turns wonderfully crispy under high heat, creating a perfect contrast with the soft flesh. It's rich, savory, and utterly satisfying. Peppered salt enhances the salmon's natural sweetness without overpowering it. The seasoning locks in moisture, keeping every bite tender and succulent. It's a simple yet elegant way to let the fish's freshness shine through. Salmon is rich in omega-3 south, supporting heart and brain health. It provides high-quality protein for energy and contains vitamin D and selenium to boost immunity and nourish the skin. Salmon contains mostly unsaturated fats, which help lower cholesterol. Its fat content is lower than most red meats, making it better for managing calorie intake. Enjoyed in moderation, it provides key nutrients without overloading the body. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon help regulate hormones, ease menstrual discomfort, and improve skin radiance. Its high-quality protein and vitamin D support bone density and help prevent osteoporosis. Additionally, this nutrient combination promotes emotional balance and strengthens immunity, offering comprehensive support for women's health throughout all life stages. The omega-3 in salmon helps maintain cognitive function and slow age-related mental decline in older adults. Its high-quality protein and vitamin D support bone health and help prevent osteoporosis. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties and nutrient profile contribute to cardiovascular protection and enhanced overall immunity. The omega-3 in salmon supports brain and vision development in children, aiding learning and cognition. Its high-quality protein and vitamin D promote bone growth and help build a strong physique. Additionally, its natural anti-inflammatory properties boost immunity, keeping kids healthier and less prone to illness. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.